Bismillah, Assalamualaikum. Those Karelas or bitter gourd, they are very healthy for the diabetics. So whenever I have some extra on my hand, I fry them up in a little bit of oil and just keep them in the refrigerator, or I just put some in the freezer. So whenever we need it, they are very handy. Sometimes my husband eats them with a coffee or tea too. It's the bitterness of the Karela that helps the diabetic. With a little bit of salt sprinkled on them, you can always fry your Karelas or bitter gourds in a vegetable oil, or mine is peanut oil, and make them halfway fry. You don't have to make them too crispy or dark. I remember first time I heard about bitter gourds or Karela eaten as a snack. When I was in college, my principal used to order her coffee from the canteen or tea, and she would have it with the bitter gourds. And we used to laugh that, oh, that's why she's so bitter. It's later in my life that I find out that when you're diabetic, the bitter gourds, they actually are very helpful. This is probably the only deep fried snack that's actually good for you. If I have to eat deep fry, I will try to have a few pieces of Karelas. See, I have already two batches of like this one over here, and I didn't make them too crispy or too dark. Just when they start changing color and start getting that brownish color, I took them out. Okay, so they're ready now. You can just eat them as a snack or have them with some garlicky potatoes to cut down the bitterness, or what most desi households would do, I will show you. In that little bit of spoonful of oil, I'm going to add some onions. This is roughly sliced onions. I don't want them too small and disappear, so toss it a little bit. You want the turmeric to be cooked. That crushed coriander smells so good in there. That was one big onion, and this is 1.5 cup of tomatoes. I will add some crushed red pepper. There goes some red pepper flakes, or you can use paprika or any other pepper you like. If you want to add extra heat, go with some chilies. Let it cook for a few minutes. Now I'm going to let the tomatoes cook on high heat for 2 minutes. When they are softer and some of that liquid is dried, I'm adding the potatoes and the Karela, the bitter gourd, to it. So the thing is that I didn't overspice this. I didn't use too many harsh desi spices. So just tomatoes, turmeric, onions, or some red pepper flakes, and coriander. Coriander just smells amazing in there. You see how the tomatoes are releasing the liquid? It's right in the middle. Just want to dry that up a little bit. Not completely, just a little bit. In goes the potatoes and the Karelas. I'm going to mix it. And then I will cover it for like 15 minutes. So now I have turned my Karela ki snack, or Karela and potatoes ki snack, into Karela and potato ki bhujiya. This you can serve with roti or naan. Now there's barely any liquid anymore. You can see it's absorbed by the Karelas and maybe the potatoes. Some of it is dried up. It's time to cover this now, and I will add some green coriander leaves to it. It looks much better in the karahi. I don't know, in the video it's not looking that pretty. That's 4 Karelas, 4 large Karelas, 4 medium potatoes, 1 big onion, and we have 4 tomatoes. In goes some fresh dhania, coriander leaves. ये लीजिए हमारी गर्मा गर्म आलू और करेले की भुजिया तैयार है. दिस इज़ माई टेक ऑन potato and Karela ki medley or bhujiya. If you like it, if you like my idea, if you like my cooking, please subscribe to my channel. Give me feedback. Let me know how I'm doing. And thank you very much for your time. It's time for me to eat now. Bismillah. Please come and share my food with me. Oh, that smells so good. It's not only good in taste, it's yummy, it's also good for health. Yum, yum. Bye bye.